So the question is, how long will it take you to give yourself solid self haircuts consistently after watching all of the lectures and going throughout the program? And I have to say, it's really dependent upon your commitment level to actually learning, right? Maybe you've got children. Maybe you don't really have as much time as, let's say, a 22-year-old college student who's got, plenty of free time, especially if they're not doing sports, right? So you've got 22-year-old versus maybe 45-year-old husband who's got kids that he's got to take care of on top of work, etc., right? So really, however much time you're going to be able to commit into learning how to cut your own hair, watching the lectures, actively participating as a vocal member in the community, asking questions, trying to get more feedback, and then actually practicing cutting your own hair, either just practicing with the clippers turned off or actually cutting your own hair, right? How long, how much time are you going to commit to yourself to get this done? Do you even want to start cutting your own hair really quickly, or are you okay with taking 4, 5, 6 months or longer to learn how to cut your own hair? Maybe you only give yourself one specific type of haircut, and as soon as you learn that haircut, it's all good, right? As long as you can give yourself that haircut every 2 weeks, it's all good. But for the most part, I'm gonna say if you're willing to commit yourself to at least 30 minutes to an hour a day, you could probably get through all of the lectures in less than 2 weeks. Reach out in the Discord and ask questions. Reach out to me directly for help and ask me questions on Discord. And really just try to be engulfed within the self-haircut community and be around it more so you can see and visualize more, so everything stays fresh inside your head, all right? So if you can dedicate 30 to 60 minutes every single day for the next 2 weeks, and then every day after that, practicing, right, going through the motions with the mirror setup, practicing with the clippers turned off, like I'll show you in another video, and then actually starting to cut your hair, giving yourself a very simple haircut, but just getting the motions going, right? Within, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks, you could probably get all of that going. And then I would say, depending on how often and how frequently you want to cut your hair to practice, maybe you can cut your hair once a week just to practice. That's what I would recommend. At least once a week, you can cut your hair, cut a little bit off, just to keep it fresh in your mind, right? When it comes to learning anything brand new, you want to keep it fresh in your mind, right? Repetition, repetition, repetition. Keep it fresh. Always keep it fresh. Just keep on doing it over and over and over and over and over, right? Until it becomes so ingrained in your head that you're just bored, right? Until boredom starts to kick in. So that's really what you're looking for. You want to know it so much that you become bored. Like, I get it. This is easy, right? That's how you want to feel about this. And that's why you need to spend the allotted time that you need, right? Less than an hour a day. And that's it. I'm telling you, within a matter of 1, 2, maybe 3 months, if you allot at least an hour every single day, I don't see why you won't be able to give yourself solid self haircuts consistently, and then gradually get better every single day and give yourself these solid, nice haircuts that you see on the internet, right? Skin fades or normal fades or buzz cuts or buzz cut fades. All of these things you can definitely accomplish, but the number one thing is going to be on you, right? It's all dependent on you, right? If I want to sit back and watch, one lecture a week, it's going to take me a year to learn this skill set. But if I want to spend an hour a day watching the lectures, practicing hands-on in my bathroom with clippers in my hand, with the mirror set up in my bathroom, if I want to physically engulf myself in this experience of learning the skill set, then it's going to be an easier. I'm going to learn so much faster, right? Than just taking my sweet old time and it is what it is. I'll do it later. Oh, I'll do it later. Make self-haircutting a priority, and I'm telling you right now, you'll give yourself solid self-haircuts the way that you want to give them before you even know it. And then you'll start seeing your bank account increasing every single month because you're starting to save so much money. So that's what I would say, right? Everything is really dependent on your commitment to learning how to cut your own hair. So the more committed you are, the faster you're going to learn this skill set.